welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yes, so finally I really love to come and shoot in this room. Yes, more than there, but I try to shoot sometimes there as well. Yes, when I have my lights ready there. Yes, so anyway, that was one video which was shot. Yes, and yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna use my Star Gilded Tarot deck, which is blue and gold. Yes, this is a very huge box which I kept it away and I'm using this. I think after some time I've been using Muse Tarot deck of lately a lot. I'm using that a lot. Yes, so yeah, let's see what's the energy that we have today. Yes, so spirits give me a card. Yes, let's get started. Okay, wow, so we're beginning with the moon. I think this is one of the few videos where I starting the reading with the moon. Yes, so the moon here talks about if you see here, you also have a snake right here which is going towards the moon. Yes, so I'll tell you one funny thing. From when I have let go on of all the negative energy from my life, I am touch wood not seeing any snakes, anything of that sort. So there is a outlet, and I think this is spirits asking you with, and let me tell you, I made a video wherein I spoke about the power of snakes and crows. Yes, so for me now I'm in the energy of where these seem to be guidance rather than giving me negative news or negative energy. So let me tell you, you have to see the positive in this negative. Yes, and these two spirit animals have huge importance bestowed upon them. Yes, so yeah, so the moon talks about direction. Yes, and direction from your third eye. Yes, and this is a journey wherein you have to do alone, and I keep telling that to everybody. So in my journey with V, if I have achieved a lot of swift change, that is because we both were alone. Yes, so being alone, moon also talks about lonely energy wherein it's a mix. If you see, High Priestess is a card which also has moon. Yes, so High Priestess, I'm getting a very strong High Priestess energy which talks about like you have to trust your path and wherein you have to walk alone. For me this is a lesson because 5 years I was doing my journey alone till I came on this channel and brought a lot of headache. Yes, that for me is a banger on my head, making me realize that I was always in the right path. So yes, so any form for me, it is not needed that I have to be present physically in someone's life. Through this video I'm already there. Yes, and I like it this way. Yes, I like it that I do not know what's happening in your life. Let me tell you, I can find out through my intuition. Moon also talks about intuition, and if the time is right, yes, we will know. Like I am putting it out that I am gonna let people in my life only when they reach a sacred divine feminine or a divine masculine phase. Yes, and when they complete their unions. So yes, so already it has begun. The orange aura, I have achieved the sexual union. Yes, so if you are twin or you are orange aura, it is by default. See, union is something, like I said in my other video, not only half soul will achieve. It is like you as a both. Yeah, so if you are twin or you are orange aura, then banger. Yes, so yes, so don't forget that you have to fight this alone, and don't, like me, look out for other divine feminines. Don't look out if there are. I was just wanting friendship, but speaking of friendship, I never in a million years thought that I'll find good friends in my soulmate's friend. And let me tell you, all of them are Bengalis. Yes, and oh my god, we have blast time. For me, I think even my divine masculine, my Mr. V, has the most shittiest friends. Yes, who wait for an opportunity to get in bed with me. Yes, so such kind of shitty friends to my soulmate has so brilliant friends. They love me, they pamper me, they love to give, they love to push me, they speak so nice things. Yes, and you may be I know that this community has a lot of hatred, but trust me, I don't know if I am icing in the sugar or because my energy is very nice, I found like that, but I have a blast of time with them. Yes, so for me, I think I just want to be see, it's like you're alone, but still you're not alone. You're not alone, but you're alone. It's more of like that. Loneliness here I'm talking about, energy. Like, ensure to protect your energy, but also, we are part of this community wherein you have to also be for each other. And I have put it out in the energy belt that only when someone is sacred, have reached a sacred phase, have let go of all their, jealousy and all of that, then I'll let somebody walk in my life. Yes. So yes, I have been super lucky. Oh my god, when I started dating my soulmate, he used to always tell me that I'm gonna introduce you to my brilliant friends. So when I was in Kolkata, I met them physically, and oh my god, all of them were so funny and lively. So I want to tell you that, especially I can give you this lesson. So if you are thinking that your friends are your twin flame clan and all that, please don't be in this misunderstanding. There is nothing to do like that. In fact, I feel like in my life, the biggest support have been, come from my soulmates, friends. I never imagined that, for me, it's like a new energy. They love me so much and they take care of me. When I came from Europe, I brought a lot of gifts for them, which I gave my soulmate. I couriered. Yes. So in my family, like my surname, which is, many people don't know to pronounce it, yes, which is Jonal Gadda. They are known for the gifting culture. Yes, they love to gift. Yeah, so my family from my dad, that came in me. So yeah, brought tons of makeup to my soulmate friends. Yes, so yeah, so it's so nice. He told me that you will love my friends. Yes, and I feel like I don't get that from my divine mask, my twin. Yeah, he has the most shittiest group, shittiest clan. I want to tell that because you're not alone. If you're thinking that in your twin's life there is a lot of chaos. Even in my twin's life there is a lot of chaos, and I made peace with it, dude, you to handle this shit. Yeah, there was a lot of time wherein I struggled. The moon here talks about all of that. Yes, and I spoke about the power of living in present with my other video. So watch out that, the power of living in present. Yes. So yes, in this video, I think I've been feeling this from morning, your divine masculine, it can be a soulmate or it can be your twin flame. They're friends. They'll love you. Yes. For me, it was not easy with my twin flames friends because they, don't guide my twin flame. I feel like, what kind of a friend are you if you don't know to guide? Because I'll tell you, if my soulmate does some mistake, oh my god, his friends bash him till he does, and till he chooses the right side towards me. I feel like, that's very important. See, we are born wherein you need your friends and family, you need the F's. Yeah, so it's very important to have the right guidance, the right kind of friendship. See, with the twin flame clan, I've seen that for me it was not a matter of I achieved first and all of that. For me it was very important because I have to make content. Yes, for me it was more of like that towards my soul mission. Yeah, and yeah, because my twin soul mission was me, it kind of like it's like a puzzle. Yeah, so it was a perfect puzzle. So that's what I'm telling you, it was very important. I have seen a lot of jealousy in the divine feminine. Like I said, you are a divine feminine, but you're not a sacred divine feminine. You need to have the sacred divine feminine qualities. Yes, till then you will not start your unions. Yes, and I see that lacking in this clan. And for this also, let me tell you, you need to even be in Parvati life. Yeah, so stop guiding people that you're in Parvati life. There are many of my divine feminine, my own best friend who's in Sati life. Yeah, so it is not like that. It needs to happen in this, all your unions happen in this life. So whatever you are, you have to make peace. The moon talks about peace. Yeah, like your peace with your situation. Yes, so that was your first card decoding. Okay, so the next card is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so if you are thinking about starting a business with your friends and all of that, let me tell you, this is something that I think my mom, being Warren Chora, told me. Firstly, my mom is never okay me doing business with Delhi people. Yes, because my mom has very high experience with my dad who is White Aura. Yes, so she always stops me. She tells, no, you're not supposed to do. Yes, and I understand that every experience is an experience. I don't know why I'm telling this. Yeah, That is the thing that I get with this, Knight of Pentacles. So for me, I was like, okay, I took my time. So yes, so it's all about business. So I understood that why there was not a business venture. For me, I have all the skill. But I'll tell you, I was like, for me, I feel like I have to complete all these inner union and all of these videos. So for me to step into the line of business, and I know when it is, when Saturn will come in, my 10th house and all of that, I know when it's the time. But for me, I have understood that if these divine feminine clan are in this not a sacred energy, I don't want to. Yes, and for me it was a banger in my head that no, I feel like this clan, I thought that because we're twin flames and all of that, for me that bubble broke. Yes, I don't want to do it. Rather, it is very nice if I do with my soulmates who genuinely really love me. Yes, so like that, it all talks about these realizations. So if there is a delay, understand that there is a reason. Yes, so Knight of Pentacles also is a very slow moving card. So why there is a delay? Yeah, also I'm getting a business. Yes, so it also talks about your business, whoever you do with. So do with your friends, but not your soul, your divine feminines. Yes, it's not gonna, I feel like it is not my cup of tea. Yes, and then yeah, 5 of Pentacles. If there is this clinging, if there is this negative energy, or till we don't reach the sacred divine feminine state, but I feel like this thing of jealousy and all this comparison will be there, and I've seen that a lot. Yes, so if you, my divine feminine who are watching, are in friendship with another divine feminine, beware of what you share. Keep it secret. Yes, and mine is an exception because my story is like a content maker. Yeah, so always ensure that what you share with your core divine feminines, ensure to protect it. 5 of Pentacles talks about protection. Yes, so yes, by the time you complete your inner union, and I'm very excited to announce these on my channel. Yes, so one by one we have started with the orange aura. I least expected it, and I feel like when I was making this content, I was like, God, who am I making it for? Who is gonna reach here? Yeah, who am I making it for? And then began the sexual union. Dude, I am more excited than my own journey, like my own unions, because slowly, yes, my content is being orchestrated. It's finally this hard work that I put in to make these videos. I was like, not another soul is going to understand. The views are going to be 10 views, maybe whatever. I just thought, okay, fine, let me just do it. I am very excited because oh my God, in my circle some have achieved sexual union, and I'll tell you, these people, the people who have achieved sexual union, genuinely look up to me. They really love me, and oh my God, the messages they write for me, it's really from my heart. So that is the sacred divine feminine energy which I'm telling about. Yes, so I understood the power of I was like, that divine feminine. No, there is a distinction. So that is why sacred divine feminine is someone who's God fearing, who is very spiritual. Like I said, I made that video, go watch it. Yes, so that is the energy that I'm talking about. The Hierophant. Yes, some very stable energy. Hierophant is a very strong card which works like a chariot. So I am here talking about that. I'm very excited to announce to the other auras. Oh my God, let's see when it comes. I don't know, 6 months, 1 year, what, who knows. Yeah, so the Hierophant talks about a very stable chariot. Yes, so this is spirits telling you you're going in the right path, but also remember that your soul need to evolve. Yes, so if I am here, even if I've achieved all these unions, but I'll not stop or not what I've learned. No, I always retrospect. Yes, so you have to do that. Okay, so I will tell you a funny thing. When I was in my farmhouse, yes, I was just asking God, who am I making this content for? Are they people who have reached so far? And then this is God's answer. Yeah, that is, okay, let me just announce it. Yes, see, I feel like the entire 2024 is the year of the orange aura. Yeah, and that orange is known as the new, like it's black. It's the new black. Yeah, so I was like, okay, I am very excited. I genuinely love these people that achieved. Oh my God, I'm very happy for you people. Yes, and so one more thing I want to add, with the Hierophant, I feel many times many divine feminine's energy that want to talk to me, that Deepa, you were right, this happened and that happened, and we feel this and all of that, this is happening and all of that. I feel their energy very strongly, and let me tell you, I do see signs never stop. Yes, but they know that, I'll tell you what happens. They know that ye ladki aane nahi degi, this girl will not come, let us come in her life. Yes, we have to evolve. Hierophant also talks about your retrospection, your evolvement. For her, that is the energy even my divine masculine has. Yeah, it was something that wherein he knew. Yes, so he knew that if he is in this energy, I will never allow him. Yes, so that is what I feel from this divine feminines also. I feel like God made me cut off is because I genuinely feel some of the divine feminine's pain because I have thrown them out. Yes, and they are doing their journey because I feel many times their energy wherein they want to tell me, they want to talk to me, they miss me. So now I hope they understand how my divine masculine felt all these years. So yeah, so I always choose the path of righteousness. Hierophant talks about that. Never lose the path of righteousness. Always, have morals, ethics, and all of these are very important. And I tell that it is not on what you wear. It is what is your heart and your soul representing. So yes, I think on that thought I want to stop. Yes, so check out both the videos. So yes, yeah, I just got a call. Yes. So yes, my lovelies, I will see you guys in the next video. Yes, I'm very excited to complete the Inner Union series of the Cups in the Scorpio season and the Pentacles in the Capricorn season. So yes, my lovelies, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.